Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedchoppingguide.com, and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, we will be sharing with you our 7 highest rated affordable juicers. Whether you're trying to get extra nutrients into your diet or want to start your day with a big glass of greens, there's nothing quite like a glass of fresh homemade juice. But to have one, you'll need to have the best juicer on hand. Of course, if you're going to take the plunge and splurge on a juicer, you're going to want to opt for the best one available. In this video, we've compiled a list of 7 of the best juicers on the market that will help you switch up your diet, commit to getting more fruits and vegetables, and cut back on your spending on bottled juices. The team at trustedchoppingguide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the affordable juicers that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on trustedchoppingguide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first affordable juicer on our list is the NutriBullet Juicer. Due to its upright design and large see-through pulp container that surrounds the juicer's processing chamber, the NutriBullet Juicer takes a significant amount of counter space, despite being just 8.8 by 9.4 inches in size. The good thing is that it doesn't stretch quite as high as the tallest models, meaning it should fit under overhead cabinets. Also, this 6.9-pound beauty comes in a charcoal finish, giving the impression that it is far more costly than it really is. TrustedChoppingGuide.com has awarded the NutriBullet Juicer a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: dual speed. Its dual speed gives you complete control over the softest or hardest fruits and veggies, so you can get the most out of your produce. No drip spout. With the NutriBullet Juicer's unique no-drip spout, you can avoid excess drips and drops left on the countertop, making cleanup easy. Included pitcher. The 27-ounce sealing juice pitcher allows you to juice and store fresh juices for up to 48 hours for make-ahead grab-and-go convenience. Big chute. A 3-inch feed chute accommodates whole fruits and vegetables so you can juice quickly, no slicing or dicing required. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, although it's dishwasher safe, the blade disc is a bit hard to clean because they're too sharp. The second affordable juicer on our list is the AMZCHEF Juicer. Armed with a powerful 150-watt motor and a 7-spiral advanced auger that rotates slowly at 80 revolutions per minute, the AMZCHEF Juicer is a top contender when it comes to producing great juice yields without destroying the nutrients, minerals, and enzymes. Measuring 14.57 by 7.32 by 11.42 inches and weighing in at 9.55 pounds, this machine boasts a nice modern design that allows it to fit seamlessly in any kitchen decor. TrustedChoppingGuide.com has awarded the AMZCHEF Juicer a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: easy to clean. The juicer has detachable parts and is dishwasher safe, allowing you to easily clean it after every use. Small chute. Although a small chute means more prep work in cutting the fruit, AMZCHEF's small feeder chute is designed to remove the seeds before juicing to prevent bitterness. It could be a minor flaw for some people, but useful for others. Highly efficient. With the huge pulp collector, you can juice non-stop without worrying about needing to empty the waste container every now and then. Quiet operation. This machine operates at 60 decibels, which is not disruptive and soft enough that even babies can sleep through it. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, since it is easily damaged by acidic ingredients, we suggest not using it for recipes involving a high volume of lemon, lime, or other citrus juices. The third affordable juicer on our list is the Aucma Juicer. The Aucma Juicer is built with an amazing 7-segment spiral drill that presses the fruits and vegetables into the steel filter, pushing the pulp out through a narrow tube at the end, creating very little pulp pellets. It's made of high-quality food-grade antioxidant materials and has dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleaning. As for its profile, the juicer is a bit large and weighs 9.31 pounds. TrustedChoppingGuide.com has awarded the Aucma Juicer a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: safety feature. With a sophisticated protection chip installed, the Aucma Juicer is programmed to shut off after 20 minutes of non-stop operation. Reverse function. The reverse function is a handy feature if you need to get in and loosen up something that's been stuck in the auger. Slow pace. Unlike traditional juicers, which extract juice at a fast speed, the Aucma Juicer twists the ingredients at a leisurely pace of 80 rotations per minute, resulting in a larger juice output, drier pulp, and less oxidation while conserving more nutrients. Quiet operation. Since this machine operates at a lower pace, it can be extremely quiet compared to high-speed juicers at less than 60 decibels. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it only has one speed option since this juicer is designed to operate slowly for a more nutritious juice product. The fourth affordable juicer on our list is the Bagotte Juicer. Not only is the Bagotte Juicer one of the cheapest centrifugal juicers available, but it's also super compact at 11 by 6.7 by 9.3 inches, which is an excellent solution for people on a budget and those with limited space. While the unfussy stainless steel exterior isn't an eye-catching design, the compact size means it's subtle and will sit neatly on your countertop. The juicer is lightweight too, weighing just 4.9 pounds, so if you're planning to store it in a cupboard or a drawer, when not in use, you won't struggle to lift it in and out. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Bagotte Juicer a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Safety feature. It has a safety locking arm design that makes sure the cover is on tight while operating. Wide chute. This compact juicer features a wide feed chute, which means you don't need to cut fruits and vegetables into small pieces. Easy to clean. Detachable parts of this unit are dishwasher safe. What's more, you'll get a free cleaning brush in the package, which makes cleaning easier and faster. Dual speed. You'll get 2 speed settings for different kinds of produce. The low speed is suitable for soft fruits and vegetables like oranges, watermelon, and tomatoes, while high speed is for hard foods like apples, celery, and carrots. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it has a small capacity of only 12 ounces of juice, so it is only designed for juicing in small quantities. The fifth affordable juicer on our list is the HERRCHEF Juicer. The HERRCHEF Juicer is nearly identical to the Bagotte Juicer, but it has a 600-watt motor and is made of corrosion-resistant fruit-grade stainless steel. Simple to set up and clean, this unit's dimensions of 12 by 8 by 13 inches, weight of around 5.7 pounds, and its operation at less than 60 decibels means it won't wake up any sleeping babies. So you can juice all you want all day, every day. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the HERRCHEF Juicer a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Dual speed. The juicer machine has 2 different speeds and can be easily converted from low speed for soft fruits and vegetables to high speed for hard ones. Safety feature. It has an overload protection system that will shut down the motor when the temperature exceeds 105 degrees, keeping you and your device safe from damage. Anti-drip design. With an anti-drip design, you'll never have to clean up spillovers on the counter. This lessens your workload and saves you time. Locking mechanism. This feature ensures that the unit is stable and safe to use. In addition, the juicer can only be started when the locking device is fully pressed down to avoid dangerous operation. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is using it can be very time-consuming because you would need to turn it off for 1 minute after every minute you run it for safety purposes. The sixth affordable juicer on our list is the Hamilton Beach Juicer. Looking for an ideal juice drink that's fresh, free of preservatives, and tastes 10 times better than store-bought juices? Take the plunge and go with the Big Mouth Juice Extractor from Hamilton Beach. It packs all the punch you would expect from a Hamilton Beach juice extractor. Reliable efficiency, high speed, and no-fuss cleanup. In terms of size, it measures 7.8 by 11.5 by 14.4 inches and weighs 9.75 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Hamilton Beach Juicer a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Wide chute. The Big Mouth feed chute is 3 inches wide to fit a whole apple, a peeled orange, or a handful of kale, so there's less pre-cutting and more continuous juicing. Large pulp bin. An extra large pulp bin means you don't have to regularly stop the process to empty the pulp, saving you time and improving efficiency. Easy to clean. The food pusher, juice cover, stainless steel strainer, pulp bin, and strainer bowl are all removable and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Aside from that, a handy cleaning brush is included so you can thoroughly hand wash the other parts. Powerful motor. Its 800-watt power can quickly transform a dense beet into a smooth, delicious juice. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's a bit loud, reaching 91.3 decibels when working. Still, most people would happily accept a brief blare of noise in exchange for juicing efficiency at this very competitive price. The 7th affordable juicer on our list is the Oster Juicer. The 7.9-pound Oster Juicer is the tallest on the list, reaching over 20 inches with a footprint of 10 by 13.62 inches. Examining the product, you'll see that its casing is a combination of stainless steel and plastic for a neutral look that would perfectly complement any kitchen aesthetic. Now, even if it lacks frills and gimmicks, the busy bees among us will surely appreciate how simple it is to use and maintain. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Oster Juicer a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Wide chute. Its extra-large 3-inch feed chute allows you to insert whole foods without pre-cutting, saving you time and a knife-causing headache. Easy to clean. After you're done juicing, cleanup goes quickly too. The convenient rinse and ready filter has a special mesh coating that reduces cleaning time with less scrubbing. No drip spout. A convenient rotating spout with open and closed position keeps the juice from dripping on your countertop from the feed chute. Dual speed. This unit uses 900 watts of power and has 2 speed settings so you can easily juice a variety of fruits and vegetables from soft to hard. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's so tall, standing at 20 inches, so it might not fit under many kitchen cabinets. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated affordable juicers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next juicer roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at TheTrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.